Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use homemade oregano oil safely and effectively. First, always dilute your homemade oregano oil with a carrier oil like olive or coconut oil before applying it to your skin. For topical use, mix 1 drop of oregano oil with at least 5 drops of carrier oil. If considering internal use, consult a healthcare professional first to ensure it's appropriate for you. When applying topically, a good ratio is 1 drop of oregano oil to 5 drops of a carrier oil. Always perform a patch test on a small area of skin, like your forearm, to check for any irritation or allergic reactions before wider application. Remember to avoid direct contact with your eyes, inner ears, and other sensitive mucous membranes to prevent discomfort. For internal use, it is crucial to consult a healthcare professional beforehand, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. If advised, use only food-grade oregano oil and dilute it heavily, perhaps 1 drop in a glass of water. Limit internal use to short periods, generally not exceeding 2 weeks, to avoid potential side effects. Proper storage is key to maintaining your homemade oregano oil's potency. Keep it in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. Beyond personal use, you can also incorporate it into your household cleaning routine by adding a few drops to water for a natural disinfectant. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated and healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.